Waile. Waila kipan lowin alang kalang pa tama. So kapay din na wile. Ida nga gintu masatin. Bible na selna wahi. Lam tele kiton wang si mai tele tam si ma. To kalakal pen ma nga dan. To de ila.
Totally blind man, one guy. But he can go lonely alone, this house. You can go and you can come.
Ya middel khatom. Lu thei lo bi bek. Ma la topi na ma mai le.
Ila oh,
Wa ya ga la in pin ho thei jil hi.
this side.
Tak lang pai pe di ta.
Yeah, upside. This side. You go.
Bal लगाओ हाय हाय हाँ
Push your mama. Isai. Isai ho. Isai. Ki denam. Isai nei ho. You can see here different kinds of caves, no? Cave. So mostly people, if rain come, means they'll stay hide from rain. And around 40 years ago, those who are new believers, those who are baptized people, they are not allowed to carry Bible openly. So they used to restore here upside the cave. And I want to show this cave. Please come over and please follow me, and we will see. Let's keep our umbrella this side. We'll come back again here. Lesa mama. Le. Please come.
Làm chùm lô biểu phúc khỉ non đó nè.
Please.
I think.
अयो
Chỉ là có phải ngon ngon.
पहिला पुरा जंगल थियो कि यो ढुङ्गाहरू चाहिँ हामी बसेर प्रार्थना गरेको नि बाख्राले एकदम माथि हालेको है त्यहाँ ढुङ्गा राखेको छ नि त्यहाँ चाहिँ हामी बसेर प्रार्थना गरेको बाइबल राखेर प्रार्थना गरेको वो पनि इतिहास
Brother, please come. First, let me introduce you.
त्यो ढुङ्गा राखेर चाहिँ प्रार्थना गरेको
Talako. See, before
चारजना
not free, no. So 4 persons are staying down and they are praying.
यहाँ ढुङ्गा छ नि मुनि
Here is one stone we can find. They keep for sitting, no? For sitting. And mostly on that time, already I told before also, not allowed to carry Bible freely. Therefore, people are doing prayer and they are keeping Bible. This is the cave.
उँभोतिर
Bible is keeping this cave side. So you can take from.
अलि भित्र गएर खिच्दा हुन्छ नि भित्र गएर
We can clip from here also. It is not danger.
भित्र जानु भन्नु बस्ने ठाउँ पनि छ नि त त्यहाँ भित्र जानु भन्नु नि त्यो ढुङ्गा बसेकोमा
Here we can sit also.
Cái bớt sẽ
Yai
ra
là
cái
cái
gì
hi.
đừng à.
Di danga Gingtu mas
On
ten
those
Bible
days,
khawm
people
an
stay
siam
here
na.
and they pray. Even
Wa na huai hulai na. Hiai sunga Gingtu te thum le li khona ki khuma thum na ni zelda no hi. Sungai le nok chi ma ma bang mo gen tak sanga.
Các bạn dàn. Các bạn dàn. Yes, nên
no, I'm one one. So let me go. We'll go and sit there and take
तपाईँजना
photo.
उहाँहरूले त्यो बस्ने ढुङ्गा बस्नु त्यहाँ बसेर प्रार्थना गऱ्यो बाको सिधा माथि हालेको भन्नु नि भित्रै गएर बस्दा हुन्छ
You can sit in those stone, na?
परे दिने होला उकिले
Khat balutta hai. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Next. You can take.
उँभो ठाउँ उसो दिन्न तिमीलाई उसो भङ दिन्न
Wala. I almost speak out mother
यो
language,
होला
na? So here is the place people keep Bible, ni box.
बाक्सा टिनमा तिन बाक्सा
They
बाक्सा
put in box,
Tin.
tin box. Inside they install Bible this side. Which year? 1982 to around 1982 to around 20 years, na? 20 years. 20 to 25 years.
Khawm kum som ni lang asung khawm. Để xuống học Bible. Nó sẽ đi hi hoài lại nhá. Bible buộc này thì không lâu. Để xuống khá. Ni ni khawm. Nó mu. Thì bu. Hi. Xuống đến nó sẽ mà.
So if you want to do video, and if
take video.
if if elder want you to interview, na sir, you can do. You will speak Nepali. I will try to translate into English, na.
Time thế.
Okay, brother.
Good.
How do you feel?
This is good, no?
Yeah, this is very memorable and very precious place where those beginning believers are worshipping here, because due to there is no openly allowed to worship. That means that Nepal government totally banned on those days. So today we are here.
Due to persecution, no?
Yeah.
Okay. One can come in.
My turn.
Yeah.
Listen, come out first.
First, okay?
Jai Masi.
ले यत्रो लेसा यत्रो लेसा
Mama kula wow dut dana kheri pale guma hilia jo. Mama jaha wow lan dut ki pale na koi.
No. Not hot.
खायो बाइबल आर्टिस्ट फाउले वडा
Một cái thế nói gì?
You can sit down. This is a cave simply, na. This is a cave simply during persecution time. People sit here and they worship here, and even they install one tin box, no. So inside tin box they keep Bible.
이다
Huh? Yeah.
उही त खाएछ के गर्नु
Dumsiki get it larung pane dia mama.
It is not rainy day, no? Good, no?
Yeah.
Boleh.
nong chàng nhé. Nong chàng mà.
Dạ.
Này. Okay. Okay. Yep.
Very clear, na?
Yeah.
Hello. Around this corner. Background is good, no?
Yes.
My turn. ढोका जस्तो नि यो आउँदै गरेर खिचिदिए ढोकामा आउँदै गरेर
Okay. Please sit, please. Yes. Oh, khi không lo. You are not able to contain. Oh. My spec is all blurred, no?
khadong pot ke non tai
Spec and blurred. Okay, then. Shall you click photo together? Grouping, no?
Group photo.
So if you want some information from elders, short, no? We can do, okay?
Let's do, no?
Let's do, no? Wow. Elder बाउ तपाईले भन्नु ल के कुरा छोटो छोटो भन्नु म अंग्रेजी पनि भन्छु ल
यसको बारेमा
आज हामी यतिसम्म तलदेखि यहाँसम्म घुम्न पायौँ ल्याउँ न ल स्टार्ट ओके
धन्यवाद
जय मसी
जय मसी
चिबाई
चिबाई आज हामी धेरै समयको बादमा यसरी टुनिबोटेबाट हामीले यो बक्तिस लिएको ठाउँ र अनि सटआउटको समयमा अगाडिको सटआउट समयमा बाइबल घरमा राख्न नपाउने पुलिस आएर पकड्ने अनि पुलिस आएर पकडेपछि पकडेर लाने थुन्ने कुट्ने काम र त्यसो हुँदाखेरि हामीले आत्मामा प्रार्थना गर्थ्यौँ र बाइबलहरू चाहिँ बाइबल टिन बक्सामा र बक्साको टिनमा राखेर यहाँ ल्याएर हामी प्रार्थना गर्दै संगति गरेर हामी यहाँ यसरी लुकाएर राख्थ्यौँ
After a long time we can visit with our new team members where Reverend Dr. Loiching Thang can baptize 12 persons at Tunibote down river, and after those believers are because of due to persecution they are coming here and they are gathering inside this cave, and even they have one tin also, and inside tin they install their Bible, because on those days police people they came and they persecute them. Because of that they used to come this cave and they used to worship God.
तर यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ हाम्रो पास्टर पदम अंकल र हारुन काका र चन्द्रमानहरुले चाहिँ पछाडी यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ फेरि अर्को ठाउँमा पर उहाँहरुले पनि त्यो बाटो मूल बाटो थिएन जंगलको बाटो जंगल थियो अनि त्यहाँले पनि लगेर राख्यो हो यो चाहिँ पछाडी हो
this incident is later on. This before that our pastor Padam Thapa and his brother Harun and elder Chandraman used to keep another cave,
अर्कै ठाउँमा
another place where there is no proper road and no good road, so they used to keep there. After some time only they start to worship here and they start to keep their Bible.
त्यतिखेर चाहिँ हामीले यो पास्टर पदम अंकलको समय पछाडी चाहिँ यसु बोलाता हे भन्ने पत्रिका थियो यसु बोलाता हे भन्ने पत्रिकामा चाहिँ उहाँ बेंगलोरबाट आएको थियो अनि त्यतिखेर चाहिँ त्यो पत्रिकाबाट पदम अंकलले पकडेपछि पछाडी चाहिँ फेरि पनि हामीले अनि पछाडी चाहिँ यता राखेको
before when Pastor Padam came from Bangalore, he bring one track name called Yesu Bolata Hai. Through that track, police caught him, and after that, again they shift the track. The Bibles here later on. Yes, thank you so much for this short information. Thank you. Kimpa mamai.
Nusiam kela di kia sungka batun.
Dhanyavad.
Nusiam bidan lao. Nusiam. Bidan lao sungka balu.
Jelas lelem dulu mo.
एक वीडियो लेंटर
Okay. Kompor jam. Jam le.
Sama.
Sang nang limon lah dini boy.
Kinang lagi mo? Okay, say. I'll take.
ต่อวิดีโอหาวิจิตรในฝัน
Video mo.
ผมวิดีโอลงลิมินันไลน์นั้น
Eh.
ไปวิดีโอเปลี่ยนจุพาสเตอร์ฟาเลสัก
Eh.
นั่งปวดนั่นเลย
Eh.
continue
Oh, continue.
yeah continue
Oh, here is no continue, no?
no don't it's already
Yeah, already.
นั่นมี
Yes.
เข้า
Yeah, continue.
ไปแล้วพี่
Cut mic. You can do okay?
you want the video
Oh, video. Follow.
let me see
2जना जानुहुन्छ 2जना बस ठाउँ पनि छ नि
You already next, no?
अलि भित्र जानुहोस्
Oh, it's working.
Down,
Oh,
down.
working.
yeah
Oh.
ओके
Brother Mang is entering inside the cave where early believers are doing and worshipping and servicing to God. And on that time, during persecution time, believers are staying here and they are worshipping God through this cave. And also they have one old tin box. Now we don't have what is that one, but they install that Bible and they keep here side, and they used to come and they pray time to time. And now Brother Mang is this cave, and we can see very inside there people used to keep Bible, and even they used to sit also.
let's take
यो
picture
चट्टानहरू पनि निकालिदिनुहोस्
click that
अलि वरपर
camera
गएर ढुङ्गाहरू पनि
Camera now.
click that I need to take photo
Hello. Yeah.
click photo
Okay, let's have
ल
one
उहाँहरूले
group photo.
एकजना प्रार्थना गर्नु भन्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ
one group photo
Toile paihiak ki somta paihiak ki somta in tualim kila zualin huai khichang hiai ko homun na sita ding chi dana hi
We can be not.
magluto ziak lang wala ka na
Ako mo ba tukyak ko?
yeah
lim kila dibang laki sak pen ma angai dana hi
good
kapay na nga dam sa paisog di kayo
Is it?
bye bye
ah